In today's video I'm showing you how I turned this ukulele into a stage ukulele. The whole upgrade is done with the help of some tools, a pin to add a strap, and a pickup to be able to record or play via a bigger PA. Let's get started. My ukulele had no inside support bracing and the bottom of the ukulele was pretty weak, so I decided to glue some thin wood layers together and glue them in from the inside. You could also use some strong cardboard and glue it together. When the glue was still wet, I was taping the wood on the outer surface of the ukulele to form it and support the shape of the ukulele. I was adding a screw through the wood. Now comes the really tricky part. I needed to add a cord, and with the help of this cord I wanted to pull the wood construction with the screw from the inside to the bottom of the ukulele. Afterwards, I was adding some glue from the outside to the inside of the ukulele and let it dry. Afterwards, I removed the screw and had my bottom reinforcement of the ukulele completed. I was a bit afraid that the bottom of the ukulele could break out if I was just adding a screw now. So I decided to use an expansion dowel, which is often used to drill holes into plasterboard walls. The concept here is to spread the forces across a wider area and not just on a single point. When drilling in the screw, the expansion dowel would expand and would just be connected in a very strong way with the ukulele. Now it was time to connect the pickup and the strap with the ukulele by using a screw. I really love the result and can play now very easily via any sound system or just a simple Bluetooth box. See the result how the ukulele sounds in this short demo. Thanks for watching. By later adding a set of low G strings, I was even able to improve the sound more. I was not sponsored by any company and all parts were bought with my own money.